Three-letter words describe this dessert: wow and yum. This ice cream treat with cinnamon swirl on the side had us all, a hush fell over the crowd in our production meeting this week when our food producer said, cinnamon swirl ice cream sandwich. Heidi Vanvalkenburg with Rhodes Rolls has our recipe. Wow.
I know,
Yum.
I love it. So these are made with our cinnamon rolls, and I love to do them with the traditional cinnamon rolls. So just like the packaging, put them out, let them rise, bake them, and you've got the beginning of this wonderful treat.
That's the top and the bottom.
Right?
Oh my gosh, amazing.
Yeah, and it's just one. If you can see, I did one cinnamon roll, and you just slice it.
Perfect.
And I did it with an electric knife because I wanted to make sure that I got it even today.
Yes.
But you could do a regular knife, too.
Because you're Mary Poppins. You're perfectly perfect in every way.
Y'all stress me out. I want to get it right. Okay? And so then you're going to fill that with your favorite ice cream. And so, I'm kind of a Tillamook girl. I love my Tillamook. Sorry.
Hand over heart. That's the best. Yeah.
So, but any of your flavor, and any flavor that you want. I think strawberry would be cute in this, but we wanted to highlight the sprinkles. So 4th of July, we've got our sprinkles going on here.
Yes.
So Brooke, I brought your ice cream, and how we shape our ice cream is...
Oh, is this my ice cream?
That's your ice cream.
Oh, perfect.
So we did it in a little, 1 cup, and then if you just turn it over...
Yeah,
and
like
it will
this?
go right in there. Yeah.
Really?
Like right on it, I promise.
Oh my gosh.
And then you can just take the plastic wrap right off of it.
Suddenly I'm a professional ice cream sandwich maker.
I think I filled mine a little bit fuller, but it's going to be okay.
We will never complain about that.
Okay, and then you can just put your top on.
Okay.
Okay, because we had our top off. This is the only time it's okay to take your top off. Okay, never mind. Anyway, and then...
That is something I never thought I would hear Heidi say on TV.
That comes
I love
out
her.
every
I
now
love
and
her
then.
more and more every time we hang out.
So I just kind of push that around just a little bit. I'm sorry, that shouldn't have come out. Okay, and then I'm just going to roll it in these sprinkles, just like this.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm going to add some more for you because I kind of
you were greedy. You sucked it all up.
You need a big thing of sprinkles.
We're
to get
hearing
this.
there's been a mad run on the 4th of July sprinkles this year.
We found them yesterday.
Oh, you did good. People are making cakes like no tomorrow. Here we go.
That's true. We didn't have a problem finding them, so I really think you can.
Good. Look at how cute.
And then that's yours. And then wrap it in your plastic wrap, put it in the freezer, and then you've got that ice cream treat ready to come out, and it's something so unique and so different.
And so simple.
Right?
Yes.
And so here, I don't want you to be all messy. There you go.
Of everything.
So I wanted to share another fun idea.
Please.
Just because it's the 4th of July.
Yeah.
And barbecuing, and when I come back, I'm going to do Dutch oven next time I'm here.
Good, please. We love your Dutch oven.
But hamburger buns and hot dog buns. So you think about buying them at the grocery store, and they're just not as good as ours.
The homemade version, or semi-homemade, with Rhodes is...
Yes.
I would have never thought to do this. This is amazing.
So you can go on our website on rhodesbaconserve.com, and you can find our hamburger and hot dog buns. You can go to our Instagram.
Okay.
Because there'll be a step-by-step on Instagram of how to make these.
Do I need a mold of any kind?
No, you do not. This is one Texas roll that you've just flattened out, let it rise, and you bake it. And the hot dog buns are just shaped that way. Really easy to do. So there you go. So you can go from the main with your chips, and then you can do your ice cream sandwich.
Let's just picture the look on my family's face when I say, would you like a homemade, semi-homemade, wink, wink, hamburger bun? I'm sorry, let me go to the freezer and pull out my cinnamon swirl ice cream sandwich, and suddenly,
there you go.
I'm Heidi. That's who I want to be. That's amazing.
You can just make it all ahead, too. So make those ahead, and then you've got your hamburgers and your hot dogs. So it's great.
Stock up on your Rhodes Texas rolls for that recipe, and the cinnamon rolls for our sandwich.
You can do those with the anytime cinnamon rolls, too, that you just take from the freezer and then pull them out and then bake them, too. I like them with the traditional. And with this, if you cannot find the Texas rolls, you can put 2 dinner rolls together and make those with those, too. So you have options.
Okay,
so
lots of options and lots of recipes waiting for you on the Rhodes website, which is...
rhodesbaconserve.com.
rhodesbaconserve.com. Heidi, thank you. Happy 4th.
Thank you.
For keeping
Thanks
our
for
tops
baking
on,
with us.
just since you asked.